Okay. To start up with the options, we see each and everything, every option, like what they are and how they are useful. So based on that, we'll continue for the next sessions. Okay. First, file name column. It adds a new column, one column, and what the column is going to populate with is the file path and the name. We can give one name here. I'm going to give a name as column name and path. So this can be a varchar column, and in this file name column I'm going to choose that column name path, and I'm going to view the data now, and now we will come to know what is file name column. Once the data is populated, we can here see we are every time we need to go to from right hand side to left hand side to right hand side, because to view the data. What I can do here is I can minimize these columns which are not required by unselecting them in the view. I just want to select only few columns with column path that I have created. See, you have here the information of folder D folder, input source, joiner data folder, input data, and the file name. This is our column name path option. What is meant exactly with the file name column means it allows to generate a column, and in that column it is going to populate the path of the file. Sometimes people may ask in interviews, I have a source file which consists of 4 files in it. Means the data which is present in that file consists of 4 files, file 1, file 2, file 3. So what I want to do is, if I am getting 4 files data in a single file, file 1, file 2, file 3 and file 4. So 4 files are coming in a single file. So I want to make into 4 targets like table 1, table 1, table 2, table 3 and table 4 in target. I need to read this file now. So in that file I want to filter based on, so file 1 data should go to file table 1, file 2 data should go to table 2, file 3 data should go to table 3, file 4 data should go to table 4. Of course there is a column which will tell you this data is coming from so and so file. I can use here filter option, filter and filter data based on the input, because input is only one file but multiple file names are there in that file, single file. So that you can use filter and you can do that. Okay, and sometimes what will happen, there will be 4 files. Sometimes there will be 4 files, and altogether the data of these 4 files is single file, but due to some reasons we are getting splitted data into 4 files, of which consist of only file 1 file of data only, but it is split into multiple files. Now the data accordingly to the file name, it should do the same thing. So in that case, the file name column option is required. So file name column, whatever we have seen now, the file name column option, it will generate the columns, the file path and the name of the file in this column. In this column, I can use filter the same way again, the same way. Within single sequential file stage only, I'm getting all the 4 files, right? The same metadata. I'll show you how to export, import, or read the data when you see multiple files with same data type, same metadata. Okay, I'll tell you. So then we can achieve this scenario. Okay, as of now, this is the reason of file name column. Why do we require means just to get the path as the data, file path and the file name of the file as a data. So next thing, filter. So what is filter? Here we required some attention here, because filter option achieves some scenarios, interview scenarios here. So that is the reason, if you have some knowledge on filter, to use filter we require Unix commands. For example, I'll show you. See, just normally view the data now. Normally view the data. When you view the data, we can see some records. Some records means complete records, right? So 3 ones are there, 2 twos are there, 3 threes are 2. So now I want to just take top 5 records. Top 5 records. So I want to use for that mix command head-5. So how many records? That is a pop-up, like if you want to use a filter command, filter option, you get some call options waved off. Is it okay? Fine for you? Yes. If I say yes,